Hello everybody. 40 days sugar-free challenge. That is challenge to get healthy, fit and strong. And I am looking for 50 people from Sweden and all over the world. All you need to do is just send me a message with your photo, your age, your weight, and your daily routine, like how many hours you work, how many hours you sit, how many hours you stand. So this, and if you have any kind of allergies or any kind of health issues, so then I will take these 50 first people and I will coach you for free for these 40 days. I will make diet plan for you, training plan for you. So if you can go to gym is fine. If you don't go to gym, still I can make a diet plan where you can work out at your home. So let's start this 40 days sugar-free challenge to lose the fat and get stronger.